What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 4 error, and the error is NW-31374-8 connection timed out. It's a network error simply. I'm just going to share my screen on the left side. Here we are at the screen. Then you simply go to settings here and then login settings. You must check your PSN account is logged in or not. If you set the passcode, just turn it off and then go to the network. Here you view PlayStation Network services. Sometimes the server is not working, going to update, undergoing maintenance. That's why you get this kind of error, timed out or something. So, and sometimes you have your own internet connection is not working. Then go to setup, use a wide LAN custom, and here you manually use primary DNS, secondary DNS, change it which one is working good in your country. In the Wi-Fi and the wide LAN one, simply do it on the same. And I'm just going to suggest you use a wide LAN one. You will get the better speed on your internet and FPS also. So simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one, for the next topic.